Welcome to this explainer. Today we're diving into a real game changer. If you've ever felt like your organization is just stuck, moving through molasses, bogged down by endless physical paperwork or manual cash handling, well, you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to explore how to transition from those sluggish, old-school workflows straight into high-velocity digital automation by partnering with Famik Studios. So let's get into this masterclass in digital transformation.
Here's our roadmap for today. We'll be covering the manual workflow trap, architecting automated ecosystems, the 4 core engineering pillars, transforming real-world sectors, and finally, how you can reach out to Famik today.
Okay, part 1, the manual workflow trap and the cost of the old way. We have to start by diagnosing a universal pain point, especially for administrators and managers in emerging markets. It's the bottleneck that literally keeps businesses from scaling. Think about the stark contrast between the old way and the Famik way. On one side, you've got the heavy friction of physical cash, unverified ledgers, and just towering stacks of paperwork. But on the other, you get the streamlined velocity of cloud-synced databases, real-time audit trails, and automated mobile money that integrates directly with platforms like MTN Momo and Airtel Money. I mean, it is literally night and day.
Be honest for a second. Are you still tracking critical sales or operations with disjointed spreadsheets and a pen? Are you relying on manual messaging just to get things done? If the answer is yes, you're actually fragmenting your business engine. These outdated paradigms introduce a massive amount of room for human error. Plus, they drastically slow down your operational velocity. It's just an unsustainable way to operate in today's modern digital economy.
Moving on to part 2, architecting automated ecosystems and the evolution of Famik.
What's really fascinating about moving away from that manual trap is finding the partner who can actually build the comprehensive solution for you. Famik Studios really emerged from a visionary commitment to bridge this exact gap. What started out as a focused engineering initiative, building custom agile scripts and targeted web applications, well, it's evolved into a premier tech enterprise. Now, they're engineering end-to-end digital platforms and localized fintech ecosystems that are basically designed to completely overhaul how organizations function.
The evolution from their inception to their current enterprise status is honestly super striking. In Phase 1, they started by solving core local usability problems using lightweight Python utilities and Android tools. Then came the expansion era, where they deployed full-stack web solutions like Django and React, along with cloud data storage. And today, we're in the enterprise era. They deploy these incredibly complex multi-tenant AI platforms that integrate directly with automated payment workflows. They haven't just scaled their business up, they've totally scaled their capacity to solve increasingly complex, systemic problems.
All right, part 3, 4 core engineering pillars, the technical foundation.
To really understand how they replace your manual logbooks and physical cash, we need to break down the 4 specific technological pillars they build upon. Basically, Famik provides a unified, full-stack foundation. It kicks off with Pillar 1, highly responsive enterprise web and mobile software, completely secured with role-based access. Then they connect this to Pillar 2, localized fintech. This integrates native mobile money networks so you literally never have to touch physical cash again. Pillar 3 injects cutting-edge AI, like machine vision, right into the field. And finally, Pillar 4 ties the whole shebang together with digital media and platform infrastructure, constructing interactive platforms and automated news distribution. They seriously handle the entire spectrum.
And the thing is, these pillars aren't just theoretical concepts. They are an absolute tactical imperative for digitization. They actively eliminate all that physical paperwork and replace slow, manual cash collection with instantly automated checkout flows. They are attacking tactical tech problems head-on.
Oh, and I have to highlight a real standout feature here, offline-first architectures. Recognizing the very real operational landscape of emerging markets, Famik actually engineers mission-critical digital systems that cache data and remain fully functional even when the internet drops. Think about that. This ensures your operations never halt just because you hit a low-bandwidth area. It is such a brilliant localized solution to a massive global tech challenge.
Now for part 4, transforming real-world sectors. Impact in action.
Let's ground all this incredible tech in reality and see exactly how it transforms daily workflows across different industries. The return on investment when these sectors digitize is massive. Take education. Slow physical notice boards and cash rent transform into Unistate portals for instant digital room allocation and mobile rent processing. For local vendors, messy verbal tracking is upgraded to the Sampo Hub, featuring instant WhatsApp order routing. In agriculture, manual crop inspection gives way to AgriHealth AI, which uses camera scanning for real-time plant disease diagnosis. And for commercial enterprises, those disjointed spreadsheets are completely replaced by custom web suites with automated financial analytics.
You see, this isn't just about installing some new software in your computer. It is a fundamental shift in efficiency for stakeholders right across society. From students to local merchants to farmers out in the field and corporate executives in the office, scalable software infrastructure is actively engineering the future of work.
Even your communication gets completely transformed. Just imagine this sequence. Step 1. A customer initiates an order through a WhatsApp API. Step 2. The system instantly routes an email confirmation. And Step 3. Direct notification systems instantly alert your fulfillment team. So you're moving from slow manual messaging to an instant, connected supply chain that practically runs on autopilot.
I want to pause on this quote for a second because it perfectly summarizes everything we've been talking about. Famik Studios does not just build software, it engineers complete operational ecosystems. That hits the nail on the head. You shouldn't just be buying fragmented, off-the-shelf tools that don't talk to each other. You need an operational partner who completely removes human error and maximizes your velocity.
Which brings us to our fifth and final section. Reach out to Famik today to architect your ecosystem.
For those of you feeling totally bottlenecked by traditional organizational structures, here is your actionable takeaway. Are you ready to operate at peak productivity? If you want to eliminate human error, lower transaction costs, and finally stop relying on physical paperwork and manual ledgers, do not wait. I highly encourage you to reach out to Famik Studios for any tech-related solutions today. I mean it. Whether you need a localized fintech integration, custom enterprise web suites, or AI diagnostic tools, let them architect your automated digital future. Because honestly, if you don't modernize your ecosystem now, how much longer can your organization afford the friction of the old way?